Done.
Okay, hello friends. You might heard that especially software engineers and who wants to become the software engineer and who are studying in the colleges to coming to IT background. So I will tell you how artificial intelligence is going to replace or affect to IT jobs. So let's imagine I want to write a code which is going to do a plus I mean 1 plus 1 and a plus b equaled sum of a plus b. So I want to write the code. Normally, if anyone received that kind of requirement, so you will write the code in their language. But he wants to write the code into different languages, then he has to learn that. And suppose it's a simple calculation. Suppose if there is a very complication calculations required, for human it takes time to understand the requirement and write the logic. Not for all, but most of the people it takes some time, he himself or herself to think how to write, and he do so many here and there and so many testings and all. But in case of artificial intelligence, that's completely different. You just need to write your code into and tell the AI like ChatGPT and what do you want. Let's imagine. Let's see that I want to write simple addition of A and B. Can you write code in .NET? Just I will write like that. Let's see that how it's going to write. You see, right? How quickly it has written. You see that it has written a complete program. He has written static void main a equal 10 10 b equal 10 and some, and he has written. So you see that. Just imagine I want to write in SQL. I mean database. See, same way C++. I don't know much about C++. I have learned in my initial days. Let's see that. And Java even I don't know. VB, Visual Basic, JavaScript. So you say anything, it is written that much quickly, right? So that is the where software industry IT employees is going to be affected. So the who are only looking for programming in future, or who are continuing artificial intelligence, going to definitely affect for them. Not for all. Suppose let's imagine there is a 100 employees in your company, and when it's introducing AI, they may remove 50%, like 50 members, because AI is going to replace for them. Not for 100%, it's replacing few of them from them. So 50 members going to lose that amount, means the requirement is going to decrease day by day, because artificial intelligence is going to write all kinds of codes in a matter of seconds. So I'm giving advice to who I mean I'm also an employee, so it's going to affect for me also. But if we wanted to survive in IT industry going forward, we need to be learned which is not going to replace by artificial intelligence, like requirement gathering. And so requirement gathering, it is definitely human is required. And clients interaction between clients, which is required more human interaction, that kind of I mean areas we need to learn. Apart from that, if machine learning, Python, so these are all areas. It's difficult for AI to replace, because we don't rely on artificial intelligence for to gathering the requirements. We don't know what is going to be right and whether it is correct or not. But when it's come to programming, I am 100% sure it is writing more than human capable. It's time consuming. If for a developer it may take for one day, but for AI it may take for 10 minutes. Only developer requirement is just for debugging that code, whether the AI, whatever writing in AI, whether it is correct or not. That only the requirement for the developer is for that, not for writing the code, because writing the code is going to handle by artificial intelligence. And even all companies going forward, small companies, they don't require much people, like how we are right now. Even big companies is completely replacing few areas artificial intelligence. So research the market and try exactly what is the best course which is not going to affect where required actually industry is looking, and learn that course. I just wanted to share you guys. Thank you very much.